All right, so Ireland and I are headed down to Sage Sleep because remember, I think it was last week I told you about the giveaway that Sage Sleep and myself and Sleep and Beyond are doing for Mother's Day. I'm going to go get all the stuff that Sage Sleep is giving you guys, and we're going to just visit them and have a little fun in this yucky, nasty rain, this weather. Ew. Look at what you get to see, you guys, if you come into Sage Sleep. Look at his little face. What's his name again? Memphis. Memphis and Mr. Bojangles. All right, you guys, look at what's going to be in the giveaway. You're going to have this PJs all day pillow, these furry slippers, and tell them how these work. Like, these are weighted.
Lavender and flaxseed, and you can heat them up in the microwave. You can heat them up in the microwave or freeze them. They're amazing. I have a pair at home.
They're really, really soft, and they're heavy. Like they're, yeah.
And then matching eye mask with the same thing, lavender and flaxseed.
Love it. And then we're also going to have some stuff, like I said, from Sleep and Beyond. Pillowcases, all organic pillowcases. I think they're going to do a pillow. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah.